Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is ultra specialization in a way that really, it's something I've been looking for years. I've been eating like this, put my finger the right way, for years, keto, which is, it's been about 5 years, which is high fat, high protein, almost eliminating sugars and grains and things like that. So the idea is to not eat less, but to eat better. Now, this ultra specialization, let's not talk about diets. I want to talk about how this store is something that it's just emblematic of how actually I run my business. And a lot of businesses that are much more successful than mine are going ultra specialized, or as Seth Godin would say, go to the end of the tail. So if you look at the menu, you've got all the usual goodies. Again, this is not a diet video, so I just want to show you that they've ultra specialized in that this is attractive to people who want to eat this certain way. But there's nothing weird or funky in there. If you turn it over, you can see that they've then got what you could call non-keto or normal, what most people would call it, but I'd call it not non-normal. So it does cater for both. So you can come in here, like for example, I have this argument with my wife, like I like to eat keto, she doesn't particularly care for it. So we can still both come here and we're both happy. So if you look here, they sell salted peanuts, which is very, very keto. They do some cakes. Again, very keto. And even donuts. Cream cheese puffs, keto donut, strawberry macadamia muffin, very, very specialized. You can't see with the light reflection, I know. Yeah, so I've got a business that's ultra specialized. We do mystery shopping and only mystery shopping. We don't do training. We don't do consulting. We do one thing and we do it exquisitely well. There's a lot to be said for just doing one thing, because there are lots of companies, and you know, when you deal with them, they're just such generalists, and they're what is it? And masters of none. So this is a real inspiration to me, and not only for my belly, but for that you can carve out a small little niche in the world. I think Seth Godin was right. The long tail is where the fun is, and where the value is. So yeah, I just wanted to share my excitement and my reaffirmation, like, hey Stephen, don't get off track with your business. Stay true to what you're really good at. So yeah, that's why I do mystery shopping.